Hey guys, welcome back to our Christmas gift guide. There is literally one weekend left before Christmas, so if you're coming here, we hope we can help you out. We've already done a gift guide for under £50, so check that out if you're looking for some smaller gifts, stocking fillers, that kind of thing. This gift guide is over £50 and it's for travellers. So if you're looking for something special, for someone special, you've come to the right place.
Let's get right to it. So the first one on our list is a book from Gestalten. Gestalten is a publisher which basically publishes coffee table books, and they have a whole series of various travel ones.
We have their book on cabins, amazing hikes, and amazing people that live in snowy locations, which is a book I love and it's a good book for me.
That is the most amazing book.
Next up is the Ostrich Pillow. If you've seen the other video, Gifts Under 50 Quid, you'll have seen the knockoff version of the Ostrich Pillow, or the simple version, which is the eye mask and the neck support. If you really want to go all out and really surprise someone and make them feel special, get them the full thing, the Ostrich Pillow. It goes right over your head with just a little air hole and ear holes. And basically with this, you can guarantee yourself a comfy nap or being cut off from the entire world on your plane trip or journey. I received this as a gift and I've never been happier.
Yeah, warning, if you're gonna travel with this person, would not recommend getting it. It's like the weirdest thing ever, but Jack loves it, so we had to include it. So next up is this lovely gift that you can see right behind us. It's basically a map of the stars, and you can pick where in the world you want the map of the stars to be and on what date. So it's actually quite like a meaningful, thoughtful gift. It's quite romantic if you get it from somebody you kind of like. This is a star map from our first date. It's kind of travel related because it's a location in the world. It's just something that a traveler would love to have on their wall.
Next on the list is for your photography and exploring needs. It's a thing called a Lume cube. And a Lume cube is a small cube which emits a huge amount of light. It's easy to travel with. You can throw it down and really illuminate a scene for your photography, or just because you want to explore a place. They are really durable, they're waterproof, and they're rechargeable. So they are a great addition to any expedition. Would really recommend them. Really want one, but they're quite expensive. So I'm hoping maybe I've been good this year and get it onto somebody's gift buying list.
Don't look at me, it's Santa.
They look really cool.
So next up is a super useful gift for your frequent flyer, and that is a piece of hand luggage. Now this can come in many forms. You may have the traveler friend or partner who likes to have a compact suitcase, in which case I would highly recommend the Away luggage. You will have seen them all over Instagram, but basically the really handy thing about these is that they're super sleek, they're really durable, and they have a charger installed in them, so you can just charge your mobile devices on the go, plug your USB in. It's super handy. I love using mine, and I basically just travel with that. I never check luggage in. And then on the other end of the scale, the kind of more backpacky hand luggage is the North Face Basecamp duffel. I think I've got that name right. And that's just a really cute little duffel, which you can also wear as a backpack. So it's just really handy if you just want a lightweight bag to throw everything in, throw on your back and go.
Also, if you don't like wheeling something around, I hate wheeling stuff around. I always try and use a duffel. So I would prefer a duffel. Eliska prefers an away bag. So we gave you two options because we want you to tailor it to that special someone. And also we couldn't make up our minds.
Yeah, I want both, so.
They're definitely not cute, the North Face bag.
Well,
They say it's durable and hardcore.
Well, there's this really nice dust pink one.
Okay. Reading is a really key part of a travelling experience, I think. We've recently gotten really into Audible, but one thing that I want to get more into is actually reading on the go. So I'd really recommend getting the Kindle Paperwhite, which is an awesome way to get loads of books in one easy to transport location. You guys will all know Kindle, I'm sure, so I'm not going to spend ages explaining it, but it's likely to be on any good traveller's wish list.
Right, next up is a personal fave, And I have to say I did not like this when I first got mine, but I'm an absolute convert and now also a preacher. So I'm talking
preaching, honestly. Anyone she talks to, she's like, you should get this.
Yeah, completely true. And what we're talking about is the puffer. Now, for anybody who has any sense of style, the puffer jacket...
It's in. Totally 100% in, always has been, always will be.
Is just not the one. It kind of makes you look like a Michelin man. But oh my god, I have never gotten more use out of any item that I have ever bought in my entire life. Puffers can be quite expensive, especially if they're made of real down, which I would highly recommend because they're much warmer than the fake stuff. The great thing about puffers is that they pack down to a really small size. So mine actually folds into its pocket. It's a Patagonia puffer, and when it's folded into its pocket, you can use it as a pillow. It packs down to a really small size, so you can just pop it in your backpack when you're going somewhere, and then when the evening gets cold, you just pull it out and you snuggle up, and you're just the warmest you've ever been, and it's great. I absolutely love my puffer.
Okay, so we are getting to the expensive side of the list. If you're getting this far in the list, you must really like this person. And if you really like this person, I would recommend some noise cancelling headphones. Maybe they don't want to listen to you all the time. I don't own any noise cancelling headphones, neither does Eliska. So we're both in the market for noise cancelling headphones if you guys are interested in sending us a gift. But I have tried other people's noise cancelling headphones, and oh, I really want a pair. You put them on, you switch the switch, and suddenly all of that annoying background noise, or the plane noise, the train noise, wherever you are, the background chatter gets cut out, and you can rest in peace, you can listen to your audiobook in peace, you can watch a movie in peace. It's amazing. Honestly, it's like a different travelling experience once you've got noise cancelling. Alright, this is where I start getting now even more excited on the list, because we're getting into the camera equipment zone. I think cameras are a great gift at Christmas because on Christmas Day you can break them out and start using them. Everyone gets really excited, but you also know you're going to take these things on your trip. I think there's two really good options if you're thinking about getting someone camera equipment for Christmas. The first is the new GoPro, because if you've got a very adventurous friend or special somebody, they'll be able to use that in all situations. The technology on that GoPro is amazing. It delivers really high quality images and very smooth, stabilized. They'll be really happy with it. And of course it's an action cam, so they can take it underwater, kayaking, on a plane, skydiving, whatever. They can do whatever life throws at them with that gift. They'll have it for a really long time and produce some awesome things with it. The second is a drone. I'm particularly excited about the Spark and the Air as a gift for someone. Again, super cool technology, amazing gadget, but also a brilliant present. And can you imagine how happy they will be on Christmas Day opening that? It would blow me away.
Any place just looks much more interesting from the air because it's just a new perspective, and it's honestly our favorite piece of camera equipment.
Thank you, Eliska's mum, who got us this drone for Christmas 2 years ago. We've been using it ever since, and it's been one of our most used travel items. Any traveller would love it.
Right, and our final present, which is... Drumroll. Probably the best recommendation for any traveller. Drumroll. Thank you.
That's my drumroll voice.
I've lost my train of thought.
It was really weird.
Best recommendation for any traveller.
Do I have to do the drumroll again? How do you do a drumroll?
So our final and most exciting recommendation for any traveller is an actual travel experience. I'm cutting out the drum roll this time around.
Okay. Shock horror. Who'd have thought it was a travel experience? Things like a weekend getaway or an experience. For example, I took Eliska to Devon glamping for Valentine's Day, which I thought was a really nice gift. Or you can get someone an experience gift. So we went on a hot air balloon ride in Spain. We had some champagne up there. It was an amazing experience. If you're in the position to give someone a beautiful gift, I really recommend an experience that they might not have gone on or have done themselves. Something like going in a hot air balloon.
And if you're super generous, you get them like the GoPro or the drone to like capture the weekend getaway.
Yeah, I was going to say actually, you could get the drone or the GoPro for yourself and then give the other person the gift of a picture or a video, which will last longer.
Well, you'd be happy with the ostrich pillow, wouldn't you? So.
No, that looks rubbish now on this gift scale. The center of the gift scale is much better.
Right, guys, that is it for our gift guide of gifts over £50.
I hope you've enjoyed it. What we tried to do is put together gifts which are a bit different to that which you might find on other gift guides. It's also a guide which is kind of curated for people who do really enjoy traveling, new experiences, going on adventures and just getting stuck in. These are the kinds of gifts that we would love.
We really hope you enjoyed it. If you have other great ideas, then please leave them in the comments below. We'd always love to read them. Give this video a little like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more travel content. We have some really exciting stuff coming up. We've just been to Iceland, we're off to New Zealand soon, and we will be filming everything, so...
And have a really happy Christmas. Thank you for hanging out with us in 2018. We've had an amazing year, and we're really happy that you guys have joined with us on it.
Happy Christmas, everybody!
Everyone. I didn't know we did the everyone bit.
Everybody.
Everybody.
Everybody. Happy Christmas, guys.